I'm Sonia Thompson of Tribe Business. For many entrepreneurs, making the decision to go into business for yourself isn't an easy one. And even though making that decision is such a big step, it really is just the first step in your journey to success.
When it comes to your business goals, just deciding to be in the game isn't enough.
To reach the dream you have for your business, you'll need to play to win. And winning by reaching your goals will require some serious preparation. As brilliant as you are, don't fall into the trap of thinking you don't need to prepare yourself to be a success. We all need to prepare if we want to put ourselves in the best position to reach any goal.
It's like me deciding that I'm going to be the robot queen. Yes, it's important for me to make the decision and declare it.
But if I don't do what's necessary to prepare myself to be the robot queen, then the results won't be so great.
So a major part of achieving success in whatever it is you're trying to achieve, and especially in your business, is in getting yourself ready after you've made the decision so you'll be in the best position to succeed at your goal. To prepare yourself to be a success in your business, there are 3 key steps you should take. Learn, and learn some more. Whether you're learning the basics of your industry and your market, learning about your customers, their key influencers, industry standards, or on how to market your business, there's always something to learn. You may already know how to do what you do well, but there's always ways to become better. Learning can take on many forms, including through books, blogs, seminars, coaches, or even your peers. Build a plan. With your expertise and knowledge of what you need to do to become a success, it's important to chart a path for how you'll get there. Building a plan will help you focus your resources so you can be efficient and effective on the journey to achieving your dream. Then get to work. Apply what you've learned along with a well-crafted plan and then start executing. You can't succeed if you're sitting on the sidelines, and for any change or results to be achieved, there has to be some action. Whether that looks like practicing, writing, calling on customers, creating content, building a great team, whatever it is, start executing, start creating, start doing whatever needs to be done for you to make a difference in the lives of your customers.
Henry Ford said, before everything else, getting ready is a key to success. Make sure you invest the time to get ready to be a success with your business.
Visit mytribebusiness.com to get started preparing to be a success with your business.